Hey food lovers, welcome back to another interesting video. Let's quickly whip up a very simple yet delicious jollof rice, guys. Without taking much of your time, let's get started. First, get your pot, add in some water and bring it to a boil, okay? Here is our protein. We are making use of mackerel fish, yes. So go on and wash it, okay, with some salt. Make sure it's clean. Now, add it into your boiling water. Add in some diced onions, okay, some seasoning and some salt. Afterwards, you stir it, okay. Let me use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to my subscribers. Yes, both newest and returning subscribers. Guys, I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you. And please continue to watch and engage, okay? All right. So, guys, cover it. After a minute or two, we are checking, guys. And at this point, let's introduce our tomato sauce or stew. Yes. I have this in my fridge. Yes, I think at some time I have to show you guys how I make this jollof rice sauce. Yeah, so go on and pour that in. Okay, it just consists of tomato, long pointed peppers, scotch bonnet, ginger, garlic. In fact, I'll have to make a video on it, okay, because my family loves jollof rice a lot, so I go this way. It is easy and simple. Okay, and it saves time also. So once you've added that tomato or jollof rice sauce or stew, go on and stir it, okay. At this point, let's take off the fish. Yes, you can actually do it separately, like grill or fry it, okay, but I choose to go this way. Okay, all right, so go on and take it off. Hello, you that is meeting my video for the first time. Welcome to my spot. Here we'll cook, we'll bake, we'll do everything edible. Please do well to subscribe and be part of the family, okay? Hit the subscription button, turn on your notification bell to get notified each time I post new video, okay? All right, so guys, let's continue. So we are adding our onions and we've added ginger garlic paste. Yes, if you noticed. So now we are going in with some seasoning, some salt. Afterwards, you stir, okay? All right, let's test for salt. Perfect, guys. So before now, you have washed your rice, yes, and sieve. At this point, we are adding our well-washed rice, okay? All right. And we are making use of 2.5 cups, yes. So go on and stir to well combine. Yes, you want to combine the rice and your stew. Yes. We didn't add any pepper because, you know, I told you earlier, my jollof rice sauce has pepper already. It is spicy already, so no need to add pepper. Okay. So now go on and add and cover it up with some water. Okay. Just this way, guys, and stir. Let's test for salt, guys. Feel free to adjust your salt, okay? Guys, it is okay. Cover it. Once you see that the water is going down or have started going down, reduce the heat. Yes, cook on low, medium heat, okay? After a few minutes, or when you notice that the water is just a little, go in with your diced carrot, yes, and some spring onions, just like you're saying, yes. And stir, combine it well. Oh my God, oh my, this is looking so good, guys. Give it a shot, you will love it. It is looking so good. Cook on low heat, okay? You don't want it to get burnt. This is not smoky patty jollof rice. It's just simple jollof rice that is delicious. All right. Okay, we are still stirring. Yeah, we want to combine it well. Oh my gosh, I'm sure you are salivating. You don't tell me nothing. You are salivating where you are, I know. Our simple yet delicious jollof rice is looking so good, guys. Please give it a shot, okay? Let me know how it turned out for you in the comment section. Oh my God. This is looking so good, guys. Give it a shot. Let me say this again. Subscription is free. You that is scared of subscribing, it is free, okay? Don't be scared. Subscribe, all right? And of course, comment, share for others to see. Okay? All right. So guys, we are done. Our jollof rice is set, guys. Now add back the fish. Look at how it is looking. Oh my gosh. Please, if you found this video helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, okay? And also follow and subscribe for more tasty recipes, all right? See you guys in my next video. Bye.